Hey, it's Karen from the Aromahead Institute. Thank you for watching our Aromahead YouTube channel. We're creating a relaxing and calming Linalool's Zen Diffuser blend. This blend encourages total body relaxation and is great for an evening spa experience. The diffuser blend has bergamot, lavender, and petitgrain. And notice these are crafted from 3 different plant parts. We actually have a multi-layered blend. One of the oils, petitgrain, might be new to you, and I'll tell you about it in just a few moments. I love how nature gives us beautiful plants and flowers to help us put life into perspective. In fact, blending by plant part is a very special way to look at blending and brings us a lot of much needed emotional support. Citrus oils like our bergamot are naturally cleansing and uplifting. Oils that are distilled from flowers like our lavender, they represent new growth and bring new energy, often used for emotional support as they are very calming and very energizing. The leaf oils, such as our petitgrain, are the breath of life, supporting deeper and more expansive breathing. They also encourage mental expansion and creativity and are protective when dealing with physical infection and disturbing energy. Diffuser blends provide ambience and a gentle relaxation experience, and all 3 oils in this blend contain 2 chemical components in common: an ester called Linalyl acetate and a monoterpenol called Linalool. Blending these 3 oils together creates a synergy, illuminating all the soothing effects of these 2 chemical components. In fact, these effects are good for calming, soothing anxiety, easing spasms, relieving pain, reducing germs, and boosting a very long-term immunity. Now you know why we call this the Linalyl Zen Diffuser blend. I have 3 different diffusers sitting here. I have a very small diffuser, and this would be excellent at putting beside maybe an office desk, your computer as you're working away. There's a medium-sized diffuser as well as a larger diffuser. All 3 of these use tap water. Now, some diffusers might use a distilled water, and it's really important for you to check your own personal diffuser's instructions as to how you might use it. So place your diffuser in an area with good ventilation and make sure that if you have pets in the area, that they can leave the area if they choose. If you have small children under 5 years old, you might decrease the drops to half the amount that you would normally use. So to start our diffuser blend, put some water from the tap, and there's usually a fill line, so you have to make sure you don't go above the fill line or the diffuser will automatically turn off. Our first oil that we're going to use is bergamot. This is our citrus oil. And I put this in a clear bottle because it's so beautiful. It's a beautiful green, dark green, and this comes from the inedible bergamot fruit that is typically grown in Italy. We'll add 6 drops into our diffuser blend. This beautiful oil, it supports physical relaxation as well as promoting feelings of positive emotions that help us to stay centered. In fact, this is one of the best oils when looking to support a good night's rest or when you're trying to manage situational anxiety naturally. When used topically, we would limit this oil to 4 drops per 1 ounce of carrier to avoid the unpleasant phototoxic burn. This is one of the oils that we are concerned about for phototoxicity. But when used in a diffuser, we don't have to worry about the safety issue, and you can just enjoy the sweet citrus aroma in any dilution. So bergamot's chemical components are well researched for boosting the immune system, relaxing tight muscles, easing our minds, and encouraging that peaceful rest, as well as discouraging unhealthy microbes in the air, making this excellent for a diffuser blend. Our next oil that we're using is lavender. We'll put 3 drops of lavender in our diffuser blend. What a beautiful, beautiful oil. 3. I love lavender for its honey, sweet, herbaceous aroma, Lavender is grown in many countries, and this one is from the beautiful mountains of western Montana. So it's calming, it's soothing on all levels, physically, mentally, and emotionally. It's called Lavandula angustifolia. Lavender also encourages the clean air and discourages microbes, making it, again, excellent for our diffuser blend. And our next oil is Petitgrain. Some people call it Petitgrain, but it's also called Petitgrain. We'll put 2 drops into our diffuser blend. This oil is distilled from the leaves of the citrus tree. When you see the Latin name that includes Bergamot, that's a hard one, you know that it is distilled from the bitter orange leaves as opposed to the leaves of another citrus species. Typically distilled in Paraguay, France, Tunisia, South Africa, and Egypt. It grows all over. The aroma, it's a mild, floral, sweet, kind of an orange citrus with a soft green herbaceous element, and it has traditionally been used in perfume making. Petitgrain Bergamot is a gentle oil which can calm the nervous system and brings an emotionally balancing and uplifting effect. It's actually cooling and calming, emotionally uplifting, and at the same time it soothes the nervous system, and it's great for reducing emotional unease. Now let's put our diffuser blend together. Put the top back on, and we'll turn it on. It smells gorgeous. Enjoy this diffuser blend for a rich Zen inner peace experience. I know you'll love this blend as you rejuvenate your mind by calming your emotions with these tranquil oils. So if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.